Hey everybody, I'm your host EcoGeeko and you're watching Green Tech Weekly, VEDA Day 25. We're almost done with our VEDA shows and vlog every day in April. We only got, of course, 5 days left. I hope you have enjoyed it so far. Today we're going to talk about the resident smart guys and gals over at Stanford University. They recently came up with a highly reflective panel that will help with passive cooling for buildings. Much like painting the roof of a building white reflects the heat off the building and back into the sky, but only in this case, it actually does a lot more. The nanostructured photonic material is a reflective panel that also pulls the heat right out of the building. The biggest problem with reflective materials such as mirrors and steel is that it heats up, meaning that if it's reflecting, the inside's still getting a little bit hot. This material actually pulls the heat out of the building and then, get this, emits it in a wavelength that will go directly into space. Yes, outer space. That's the really cool part about this material. It actually moves the wavelength into a pattern that goes right through our atmosphere and doesn't even stick around in our ozone, which means less of the greenhouse effect. They say that it will, with cooling of 100 watts per square meter, a typical one-story house with just 10% of the roof covered will save 35% of its energy with its AC cooling system. That's pretty impressive. Think about it, only 10%. I know the house that I'm in right now actually has about 50% of the house covered in tree shade almost all year round. So of course 10%, I could use it, right? There's the other cool part about these panels are they absolutely need no power. There's no moving parts. They just sit there looking pretty. I think that's pretty impressive. If you want to know all the technical details, because you know I'm not good at them, check out the link in the doobly-doo. And as always, remember to rethink it green.